In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to crush productivity with an updated tutorial for 2025. Let's dive right in and explore how this powerful tool can help streamline your workflow. First, let's head over to Trello.com. You'll want to click on the login button, which is typically situated on the top right hand corner of the page. If you already have an account, you can easily log in using your email, or for a more seamless experience, connect through your Google account. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. From here, click on your account icon in the upper right corner. We want to focus on creating a workspace next. Click on Create Workspace, and a new dialog will appear where you can give your workspace a name. Make it something meaningful so you can easily identify it later. The next steps are selecting your workspace type and giving it a brief description. It's advantageous to take a moment to consider what type of projects or tasks you'll be managing within this workspace, as there are a few options available depending on your specific needs. Once that's set, click on Continue. To share your workspace with team members, click on Invite with Link and share it with your collaborators. Alternatively, you can type the email addresses of those you want to invite directly. When you see the name pop up, click on it and then choose Invite to Workspace. Now let's switch gears and start organizing your projects by creating a Trello board. Click on the plus button beside your workspace. Give your board a catchy name that reflects the project or workflow it will represent. With a name in mind, click on Create. Next up, you'll want to add structure to your board by creating lists. Start by clicking on Add List and name your first list To Do. Following this, repeat the process to create an in-progress list and a finished list. By having these lists set up, you create a clear visual representation of your workflow path. With the lists in place, you can add tasks known as cards. To do so, click on Add a Card under the To-Do list and name it according to the task or project it represents. Once your card is created, click on it to open up the task's details where you can further customize it. Adding a description can be tremendously helpful, providing additional context about the task. Then click on Members to assign team members to the task, or use labels to categorize tasks by priority or status. Consider using checklists for subtasks and set dates for deadlines to keep everything on track. Lastly, ensure you close any open menus once you're satisfied with your setup. And there you have it, a streamlined Trello workflow setup, ready to boost your productivity and project management skills to new heights. Enjoy organizing with Trello.